My name is Tiffany Threadgould. My friend Kat and I
Okay, you just tell me where to hold it.
are renovating my outdated and ugly kitchen.
What do you think? Does it give it a little more grit? I think it does. It takes some of the gloss off.
This is definitely going to be a challenge.
Oh, that's disgusting!
But there isn't anything we can't handle.
Oh my gosh, that's a mouse skeleton! We need to get this project finished. I do not want to be doing this right now.
That's so gross.
Whoa. Okay, wait. Yep, it's pulling. I'm smelling gas. I'm freaking out. Just want to get away.
This has to go back through that hole. I just got shocked. This kitchen is ugly, so my friend Kat and I are gonna completely renovate my kitchen. The wall is sponge paint. I mean, it's awful, right? Tile on countertops is a little odd. Our plan is to start each with a palm sander and to rough up this surface a little bit. What we're going to do is mix 1 part water to 2 parts of the cement.
Aren't you proud I'm measuring?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you wipe that down, and I'm gonna mix this up.
I think we should let this dry all day.
Where do we want to start with the cabinets?
Let's start at the microwave.
I'm gonna let you work along the fronts of these. So this is going on even more smoothly because we have our system down. I wonder if we can get away with just these 2
I
layers.
guess we won't really know until it dries.
Yeah, true.
My friend Kat and I worked really hard to complete my kitchen. It's not 100% done, but it's already 100% better than before.